everybody is a little more fresher, little more aware, little more energetic right now. And ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful day to start this wonderful awards night, that is CSR Corporate Award and Conclave 2026 by IT Magazine. Before we start, I would request everyone to please put your hands together for IT interview times once so that we can actually tell them and तालियों की माने ताली एते जल्दी रहिबा कथा नथला आई गॉट कन्फ्यूज्ड आई गॉट नर्वस सो टिके ताली और टिके हेले भल लागिबो फॉर इंटरव्यू टाइम्स नमस्कार सर सर आज बोधे आपण आसुचंती बोली हठात खरारू पाग बदली गला बोध हुए से एंड वी आर इन सेफ हैंड्स सर नमस्कार सर सर को गोटे जोरदार ताली होगा दरकार एक्चुअली व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इट बिकॉज ये जो टाइम टी चलती एप्रिल मास फर्स्ट रु आमर एप्रिल मास 14 सरकार को द्वारा गोटे बहुत सुंदर इनिशिएटिव निया ओडिया पक्ष करके कारण जेहेतु आम समस्ते जाचे जे फर्स्ट ऑफ एप्रिल इज ओडिशा दिवस एंड मोस्टली 14th और 15th ऑफ एप्रिल कहीं केत पांजी चेंज आसी जाए बट आम पणा संक्रांति जोटा कि आमर ओडिशार ओडिया नववर्ष भाव में पालन करता तो से जो 15 दिनिया फोर्टनाइट पक्षटी को आम ओडिया पक्ष भाव में करूँ जो थे कि आमर ओडिशार खाद्यपेय पोशाक खड़ी छुआ जी आमर आई माँ कहानी सबू आम पालन करूँ आपने जान थे प्लीज विजिट आवर साइट odiapakya.com बट नाउ लेट अस गेट बैक टू our business that we are gathered here together for. So we are living in a time where success is no longer measured only by profit, but by purpose. So ladies and gentlemen, here comes a moment in every era when conversations must evolve in action and ideas must translate into impact. Today, that is the moment because we are no longer asking how much did we grow. We are asking who did we grow with. It is with immense pride that we welcome you all to this prestigious gathering hosted by Interview Times, a platform that has spent 14 years of championing impactful journalism, amplifying voices that matter and shaping conversations that drive change. Interview Time has anchored a series of high-impact conclaves throughout the year, from national CEO conclaves to CMT roundtables and inspirational personality forums aimed at transforming state leadership into strong and influential national force. Ladies and gentlemen, Interview Times has always stood at the intersection of media, governance, society, and corporations, not just reporting stories, but shaping narratives that inspire action. And today, we are gathered here together for State CSR Corporate Awards and Conclave 2026 is a reflection of that vision. This conclave is not just an event, it is a platform to rethink responsibility, redefine leadership, and reimagining impact. Because CSR today is no longer checkbox. It is strategic force for sustainable development and social transformation. With it, ladies and gentlemen, let us begin this beautiful evening. As our ritual goes, nothing can be started with the blessing of the Almighty. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with all the pride, all the pleasure, and utmost honor, I have the honor to call all of our esteemed guests to on the stage to light up the lamp and begin this very, very beautiful evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been gathered here together for the CSR Corporate Awards and Conclave. Our esteemed guest of this evening are coming up for starting off this beautiful evening with their gracious presence. I would request our esteemed guest to please come up on stage and Light up the ceremonial lamp to begin this fun-filled awards evening. So most of us know each other. So we know after lamp lighting what happens. I request everyone to put their hands up in the air. In the name of Lord Jagannath, let us take their name and start this very evening. So I would request everyone with me once and for all. Jai Jagannath! ନାଇଁ ମତେ ଶୁଭିଲାନି ବର୍ଷା ପାଇଁ କାନରେ ଟିକେ ପାଣି ପଶି ଯାଇଛି ମତେ ଟିକେ ଦରକାର ଟିକେ ଲାଉଡର ନଏଜ୍ so that I know everybody is with me awake energized and ready for the rest of the evening. So ladies and gentlemen, with me one more time, Jai Jagannath. Thank you so very much. And with it, let us move on to the sessions that we have for the conclave. The first session is from wealth creators to CSR change makers. So let us now begin our first session, the conversation that goes beyond business and into purpose. So for this, I would request our speakers to please come up on stage and take their chairs. We have been graced with the presence and we are so proud to have them as the speaker for this session one. We have Dr. Ravindra Narayan Beheraji, MP Jajpur. Please put your hands together for the Honorable Member of Parliament from Jajpur and more of a guiding star for interview times. He has always been there with us. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dr. Ravindra Narayan Behera. And with a louder round of applause, we are so proud and so honored today to have him with us this evening. Please put your hands together for Dr. Mrutyunjay Mahapatra, IMD DG, who has taken Odisha to the national forum and made Odisha even prouder. And we are so proud of you, sir. Please put your hands together for Dr. Mrutyunjay, sir. Can we have a round of applause for Dr. Prabodh Mahanti, a renowned industrialist who is going to join us for the first session of the conclave. With him, we have Dr. Hiranmay Mahanta, CEO, iHub Gujarat. Welcome, sir. Welcome to Odisha. And we welcome you to this very evening and the first session. I would request Dr. Binod Agrawal, another renowned industrialist who is with us this evening. Welcome, sir. Please, I would request you to please come up on stage and take your seat for the first session of the conclave. And to moderate this first session, wealth creators to CSR change makers, we have Dr. Dibijit Sahu, Group Editor, The Interview Times. For him, I would request everyone to please put your hands together and let us begin the first session.
Thank you, Soma, for such a wonderful intro for this most awaited corporate CSR conclave. So basically, the idea came from a very vital way because you are associated with management, Mr. Ravi Vera, also the chairman of our group. In true time, he told that you're doing a lot of CEO conclave, business leadership out. What about the real, those that really matter, the communities, the initiative on ground? What are those, all those things? You should take up some initiative that actually impact the society. So that's how the idea generated. So thank you so much, Sir Ravi Vera sir, for this purpose. So basically, you are living in a very fast-moving, dynamic world. Things happen very rapidly. So you are no longer interested someone how much he makes money, how lavishly he lives, and how much property he possesses. Doesn't matter. Now the time has radical changes because now we are very much interested thing right in front of me within the Mahabharata. How many lives is touching the entire career? That matters. So that's a radical thinking and collective thinking of ours. We believe this, they have transformed millions like talent, career and professions. That's how you look for this conclave. And this gentleman sitting right, Prabhu Man, they talk about the growth together. They are not here to make the money and impact. They here to impact to the society. That's why you are very privileged and honored to have all of them is very much wealth creator and of course they are the CSR change makers. So without wasting any further time, let me start with the man of the moment right in front of the Mrityunjay Mahapatra. Everybody knows the man, weatherman of India. Who doesn't know? This is very exciting. I'm thrilled to talk to you, sir. So before I start, let me ask you a very simple question. Can you check your mic? Sir, we all know, everybody is here, there's a room of fans here. They know how stubborn you were as a student. You always wanted to be a weather scientist. And of course, you become a weather man of India. From stubborn student to weather man of India, it's an incredible journey. So, what rest? All you want to know. What will you write some books on biopic that could be portrayed by the Bollywood? Any idea actually?
Thank you, Debajit Babu. At the outset, I congratulate you and Interview Times for organizing this conclave where there is a mix of minds to discuss and deliberate various issues related to corporate social responsibilities and the way forward. I feel privileged to be associated with you.
This is the second time you are gracing this
Yes, I am
sir.
privileged. I also take privilege sitting with Honorable Member of Parliament,
Mr. Behra.
Mr. Behra Saab, and distinguished panelists in the dais and distinguished guests of the dais. So coming to your questions, yes, certainly I will continue my work and I will bring out some kind of story about the journey which has resulted in what I am today.
Yeah.
But apart from that, there are other avenues to work further. There is no end to the work. If someone wants
Scientists
to
never stop their creativity.
work for the society. So when we think about the corporate social responsibility, it at present is not limited only to the corporate sector. It is a combination of various sectors in the society. So therefore, I feel a corporate sector social responsibility can be well defined in terms of an integration of the people, of the planet, and of course, as a corporate sector, we will be thinking about the profit. So when you think of the people, it is ever changing, it is ever transforming, and society is changing and evolving. At the same time, society is also confronting various types of strategic situations, like, say, for example, war, or maybe the climate change, or maybe some kind of situation like COVID or something else, which we do not apprehend on a day-to-day basis.
Okay.
So therefore, we have to be prepared towards that as a corporate social responsibility. At the same time, there is also transformation in terms of technology. Now the days have come where we are talking about the AI. AI has entered into everybody's life now, everybody's activity now. Perhaps there is no such sector where people are not thinking about artificial intelligence. It was the 1980s when AI started actually, of course we are talking now, when everyone started to simulate what we are doing on day-to-day basis. That started the simulation, but now we are talking about technology which has come up so far that AI can give you the solutions, AI can give you the way forward, apart from other, whatever manually we are doing at present in a fastest time, in a finer apprehension, and it can be a good help to the technology and the human being. So, if you consider the planet again, there is enough source to work further that planet is confronted on, and most important one is the climate change and its impact on our society, on our economy, on our behavior, etc. So we have to empower ourselves with the behavioral competency and also the functional competency. True. And that can be taken forward with the help of this corporate social responsibility, and we can empower each one, whether it is a government organization or a private organization or an individual or a society, so that they can address the requirement in the changing world in terms of this planet's requirements, so that we can have a safe environment. Then you need to approach certain path. So path is that first one is the ethical. True. So when you think about the corporate social responsibility, you have to go by the ethical approaches. So ethical approaches starts with the company itself or the corporate itself. Your people should be safe, your people should be educated, people should move forward, and your people should have that talent.
Welfare of the employee.
Yes, that means the people should now move from a karmachari to a karma yogi, which government has declared in the government sector, but I feel in each and every sector, now we have to move from being a karmachari to a karma yogi. So that concept should be adopted by the corporate so that you can carry forward the behavioral competence and functional competence of each and every person to ensure the corporate social responsibilities. So at the same time also you have to take into consideration your economy. The economy should also improve, and the challenges which you face, that has to be addressed, for example, today's world in terms of various situations. Then environment, of course, you are taking, etc. Then fourth one is the philanthropy, which usually a layman, we understand that corporate social responsibility lies only with the philanthropy. One responsibility is that you should donate, say, 2% of your income or something like that for the benefit of the society. But apart from that, there are many such indirect ways by which the corporate social responsibility can be carried out and it can help. I am open to work with everyone, and there could be a very good public-private engagement or public-private partnership where we can work together.
CSR gives an ample opportunity to work with the society.
Yes, you are right. It gives ample opportunities. Every individual can also work, every organization can work. So CSR provides an environment where it is ethical, it is economically viable, it is sustainable, it is adapting the various technologies and changing behavioral pattern of the society, and also it is getting the profit for the betterment of the society.
Sir, you have ring side of view, world CSR ecosystem, because you travel in most of the countries. So how do you assess the impact of Odisha CSR story?
Certainly, if you put forth a success story, it impacts the others. Because others look at. We have been built up from the childhood itself by listening to the success stories, be it in the form of epics or be it in the form of your family. If your elder brother or elder sister is studying well, you are told that you see your elder brother or sister is studying well, you are not studying. So everywhere you get a story which is told by your mother at first, then your parents, then your brothers and sisters,
so it's
then
a
environment.
ripple effect.
And it provides you some kind of momentum.
So
it gives you
generate
the
a momentum
energy.
is the key word, sir.
Yes, and you can go further.
Sir,
So
wonderful.
therefore,
Sir, let's come back to Dr. Ravi Vera, sir, Member of Parliament, Jajpur, sir. Sir actually believes two things, that people and Parliament. He actually believes in two things, that's people and Parliament. Also, he is in charge of Payu constituency Calcutta, the ensuing election. So, can you get a fast-hand information? Are you coming to a thumping victory at Calcutta? Are you coming to thumping victory at Calcutta?
Are you?
Coming with a thumping victory for Calcutta.
Oh, you are asking about.
Since you are in charge of
Your microphone system is bad, I think.
Hello, audible, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, thank you very much for inviting this beautiful CSR conclave. All your conclaves are very good and excellent. And I have participated from Gen Z or Generation Z. And so many other things I have done. It is all for the progress, growth and intellectual meet for the sake of Odisha. So today the CSR conclave is very good, excellent. And second is, I congratulate you that you are looking very young today.
Thank you so much.
So that I have found. Calcutta, the election in West Bengal is not election for West Bengal. Rather, it is for national security. It is the election for the Indian Bharatiyata, Bharatiya nationalism, and it is for the each and every citizen security of Bharat. We are born and brought up in Bharat. We got independence in 1947, but these outsiders are encroaching so much of India that we are suffering a lot. Thanks to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, thanks to our Home Minister, that now Bharat has become a Naxal-free country. After lots of struggle, the Naxalites are removed. Now I think the second, next to Naxalite, the most dangerous now is there in West Bengal. It has become Dharmashala. It has become Dharmashala. India has become Dharmashala. All Bangladeshi, Rohingya, hospitals, wherever you find it, they get a place in Bharat. That this is a place, West Bengal. So many people are coming to Murshidabad. Then they are getting the certificate, means Aadhaar card, then ration card, then voter list. Like this, they are coming and they are going migrating to other parts of this country. They are just a cancer, they have captured it. So, Honorable Prime Minister has taken a big drive and Home Minister has taken a big drive in implementing SIR in this country. That is a big drive, that there is a feeling of each and every individual that we are for our country, the intruders or other country people, Bangladeshi, Rohingya, whatever, they should not take part of our lives, they should not take power our land, and they should not threat to our life. So now this feeling has come in each and every part of West Bengal. If you feel, so now Jalan is there, we should vote for BJP, vote for Modi ji.
So you are coming with thumping victory.
So we are definitely coming on thumping victory.
Many congratulations, sir. So let's come back to
Thank you.
Let's come back to your constituency. You represent Jajpur district. That's indeed it's a industrial based constituency. There are several industry corridors like Kalinganagar, Tata Steel, lot of industrial houses are there. Are you happy the way they are carrying forward the initiative programs in CSR? Is it really impacting the people on the ground?
Very sorry to say, before our double engine Sarkar, before 2024, we are not aware what CSR was there. So many industries were there, they are captured by 1 or 2%. And CSR was driven by them. So I feel there is no CSR activities in
At all, before that?
Before that. Now, when I have analyzed and asked the parliament question also regarding this, now so many things have been expanded. So many things has been spent. Where it is spent, there is no visibility. Where it is coming, there is no transparency. So now we are trying that. At least we have already, our Honorable Chief Minister addressed with these industry heads. So at least CSR should be, there should be transparency. Area should be identified. Now they have identified the localized area, just like Sukinda, Danagodi area, some portion of Dharmashala, CSR, all funding of CSR should be spent in that locality, not that other part.
Peripheral
So we
development.
hope that it will go on well.
So there is one thing need of the hour is a transparency in the utilizing the funds of CSR. Best way to pick up the things in CSR to bring transparency in terms of utilizing the funds of CSR.
Definitely, because CSR means a corporate social responsibility where society needs for the CSR funding, needs for development, the CSR should take up.
Sir, for your kind of information, last year only Odisha gets 20,000 to 25,000 crore, but still they all are lying unutilized in your tenure. So what sort of message you want to say to the bureaucrat and many people actually need to be very taken care, utilize the all funds that will actually help the people below poverty line, all community, unprivileged people. So 20,000 crore last time received Odisha CSR fund. Many of the funds have been unutilized. last year?
CSR, the major bottleneck, I can say that is bureaucratic hassle. Just like government sector, bureaucratic obstructions are there, but in CSR, that should not be there. Industry should come up openly for this bureaucratic thing. Second, those are implementing it, they should come up in an open mind that I will make some development in the particular area or that area. Then only this can be done. So I hope for in future it will be
Positive, very confident. You are confident. very much
Confident.
confident. Let us come back.
but who got the bureaucratic bottleneck because they all come go away.
That's true, sir. Let us. So let's bring Dr. Prabodh Mahanti. Actually, SNM is one brand actually that takes care of a lot of events, lot of conclave in Bhubaneswar. What are the Bhubaneswar host any conclave? SNM group is there. In terms of sponsorship, whether in literature festival, whether it entertainment, whether it that CEO conclave, many way other you are engaged. And for years together, you have been doing for that. I'm glad you are talking to this man. Actually, he has a golden hat for the CSR issues and all that. Sir, do you remember a couple of weeks back, while you are taking an interview, I asked him a very simple question, sir. I see you're holding it everywhere. You are there for 10 years because I'm studying at that moment the management of Utkal University. He replied a classic thing. He told that it's a legacy. It's not that I'm feeling honor and privilege. It's a due diligence for the people of Odisha. It's such a duty-bound job to do. So, is it come natural to you, or is a strategy, business strategy?
Thank you, Dibyajit. I once again welcome you all, the participants and the invitees who have attended here. Dibyajit does 3-4 events every year, and being from my own district,
Yes, sir.
Keonjhar,
Yes, sir.
so I have a special affinity to him.
Thank you so much, sir.
I make sure that I attend all his events. And this topic of today, that is wealth creators to
CSR
CSR
change
change makers, is quite appropriate in today's context when actually Odisha, when the government of Odisha has a vision to make Odisha one of the very developed states by 2036, Samruddha Odisha playing its part in making of Vikshat Bharat. So the industry and mining, mainly mining metal sector, which will actually drive the economy of Odisha. Before that, I must answer what my brother Dibyajit asked
it's a legacy
for,
to
like
carry.
my company, my group sponsoring most of the events in Odisha or in Bhubaneswar, and there is always, everywhere there is hoardings. That is actually not deliberately done or for any visibility. Since I am a son of the soil, whenever people come to me for organizing any event promoting the Odia culture, Odia language, Odia classical dance, so I feel it my responsibility or my duty to actually contribute something so that we talk about Odia Asmita. That is actually rekindled. The spirit of Odia Asmita is actually developed in the younger generation, whom they are, I feel, they are forgetting our culture, history, everything. So that is naturally a responsibility, I think, which actually come from the hereditary, from heritage, from my father's side, the inspiring father, late Surendranath Mahanti, who in the district of Keonjhar actually started our company. We are basically into mining and metal sector.
Yes, true.
So this started in Keonjhar district and also Sundargarh district, where we have our mine and steel plant. So what I was telling again, the next 10 years is important for Odisha because we are destined to grow and become Samruddha Odisha. So all sections of our society has to contribute to create wealth. Now our size of economy is around $120 billion. We intend to arrive at $500 billion by 2036. How will it be possible unless we grow faster? Now our growth rate is around 8%. So we have to have a double-digit growth. So the wealth created by corporates, which is driven basically by mining metal sector, has to be distributed proportionately. It has to reach to the person down below in the last line of the pyramid. Then only we'll actually think that society is inclusive, the business is inclusive, and particularly for our group, we are working in a very remote area, in a tribal area in the Koida Tahsil of Sundargarh district, Sundargarh district, where our mining operation is surrounded by 4 villages. I vividly remember when I just joined the business in 1990. Those people in that villages were in a very primitive way. They worked in our mining area. Now you will find that every household has 1 or 2 persons working in our mines. They have electricity, they have television, they have motorcycles, some even have 4-wheelers. So that is progress, that is inclusive development. So wealth creation one part, that doesn't exclusively belong to the corporates. It is actually a combination of the corporates, the government agencies, and the people living around it. All together are responsible for creating wealth. So it is sustainability. Your business, your enterprise has to be sustainable. The people around you must be digitally, today's requirement is you must be digitally literate. You must modernize yourself. So once you improve the lifestyle of the people around you, then truly your wealth is created, and wealth is actually proportionately distributed. Then you feel the satisfaction that you are doing something for yourself as well as people around you, as well as the society or your state or your country as a whole.
Sir, you're very much delighted. Actually, you are a true wealth maker. Transformed into CSR change. But one sad thing revealed during his interview, he said they actually donor. They have to pay in terms of all royalties, DMA fund, even that CSR fund. But sad part of the story is that they are not in the decision-making process district-wise. DMA fund. This is a sad part of the story. Those who donate, they are not in the frame of CSR strategy, planning, fund utilization. This is the sad part. Do you feel pity? Don't you think this is a thing to be overcome, or reprehend? So government has to proactive to include these people at least. They are the donor because of all the structure design. So those who are donor, they everything, putting everything for that. If they are not included in the decision process, it's a sad part of the story. Don't you think it need to be addressed on the forefront of the government?
You are right, Dibbajit. For the information of the audience here, CSR is mandated by the Companies Act, but the mining companies, they are also mandated to contribute to the DMF, that District Mineral Foundation. Is a trust headed by the district collector, where the mining companies contribute whatever they dispatch or sell. Every ton of material or mineral is dispatched or sold, have 15% of the sale value goes to the district mineral fund. So we have, since the 2015 when this DMF came into being, more than 30,000 crore has been collected in these mining districts. And that is meant to be spent in these mineral bearing areas for the development of those. CSR is another one. So what Dibbajit was saying, we are fighting for that because
they are the donor, they should call the shots.
That trust is actually headed by district collector, and the membership are all public representatives, government officers, but not the contributors representative. We have spoken to the government, we are talking to government for so many years, because since we are contributing, so we need to be represented in there
This
so
is the
that we
sad
can
story of
tell.
the- you
we
need to
can-
address that thing,
we-
sir.
we can
You need to
tell-
address that
We
thing
can
as
tell what is actually required around our minds, what is actually required by the tribal people who are actually affected by the mining activity. So that is one sad part. So
It
since,
has to be addressed, sir.
Dr.
So,
Behera
when
is,
Nisab is there,
Dr.
he needs
Behera
to-
is
needs to
here.
address that
So
thing,
I'll
respond
request
that
him
thing.
to just put in a word, because this is a law passed by the parliament, but it has been administered by the state government. So if a representative from the mining companies or mining association is there, it will be better administered.
Let's open
Money
for
will be
that.
better
Let's open
spent.
for that. Let's
So
everybody
I
has
agree-
a say to on that.
I
Sir.
agree to you fully.
Sir, thank you so much.
Actually, the CSR collector is a trustee.
Yes.
And a member of parliament is and local MLA.
Yes, sir.
They are the members and government officials, some government officials. But no representative from mines are
Mining,
there. But,
representative
your
and
point
all
is
that.
well noted.
Yes,
If
sir.
in
Please.
further in
Sir,
Delhi,
put it
I'll
before the government. Put it
we'll
before the government,
But
sir.
how it is feasible? Because recently, the, DMF is completely restructured in all India basis.
Yes, sir.
So I think they have not taken also recently.
Sir, you
The
need
further
to-
meeting.
You
if
need to raise these things in the
Okay,
parliament, in
okay,
the government,
okay,
sir.
Thank you. I have good relation with the Honorable Mines Minister, Government of India.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So I
sir.
can put it
Sir,
to him.
sir, please, sir. Thank you so much. Actually, this is a very sensitive thing. Those who done it, they are out of the box. It doesn't make any sense for that. We also appeal that they have a lot of ideas, what is happening around them, what needs to be done, what's are not to be done. So they have better idea, better concise what to say. They can have two negate for that. So let's come back to one of the fascinating story. I'm on the one that's magazine will releasing very soon. Actually, one story that touched me personally, the Binod Agarwal. It's a massive story. That somebody is from Bethanati, Moiri wants to business global leader. He has over 55 countries. Basically, they container manufacturing company and 6,000 of employees. Direct in a 10,000 employees. It's a massive number, sir. It's a story Bethanati to global leadership, sir. Am I right, sir?
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ପଚାରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ବସିଛୁ
Sir.
ଇଂଲିଶରେ କାହିଁ କଥା ହେବା
Sir, since you represent English magazine,
ଏଠି କ'ଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି
ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି sir?
କାହିଁକି ଆମେ
Sir,
why such a
sir,
feeling
so we accept. We
why
accept
such
it.
a feeling कि
There are many people
sir,
are
maybe
there.
maybe English is difficult for them also so why don't you 90% people if they know
Sir, all right, sir, all right, not a problem,
no
sir.
Odia
Sir, you can
so
express.
what is the sense of speaking in English
Sir, no problem. Sir, since we represent English magazine,
ନା ନା ଏଇଟା ଇଣ୍ଟରନାଲି ଆମକୁ ଲାଗୁଛି ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିଲେ ଭଲ
sir, maybe you are quite
ଭଲ।
emotional for that. So we agree and accept your proposal.
Sir,
Carry on, sir.
Sir, I have traveled across the world.
Okay.
I have never seen a person who is in the other country. He, in the last stage, he comes to speak you in English.
Okay.
Or else, they always prefer to speak in their language. It is better you take a person who can change the language and explain to you.
Oh, wonderful,
so
sir.
why, where so much interested always?
Sir, can you please share your story that actually thrills a lot of people?
या सर सर ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବି ସାର୍
All sir,
ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବି
not a problem.
ହଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଲୋକ ସାର୍
ହଁ।
ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବି ଦୁର୍ଭାଗ୍ୟ କ'ଣ ମୁଁ ପଢ଼ିଲି ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ସବୁ ପଢ଼ିଲା ପରେ ଇନ୍ଦୋର ପଳେଇଲୁ ତ ଇନ୍ଦୋରରେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ କାହାକୁ କହିବି ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଆସିଲି ତ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରିବି ଯଦି ଏଇଠି ଆସିକି ବି ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ତ ଦୁର୍ଭାଗ୍ୟ ମୋର
Sir, you are most welcome. You can speak in any language. There
Yeah.
is no barriers at all.
ମୁଁ ମୋ ସାର୍ଙ୍କର କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଶୁଣୁଥିଲି CSR ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ମୋତେ ଯାହା ଜଣାଅଛି CSRରେ ସାର୍ CSRରେ ଏହା କି ଆଜିକା ଦିନରେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲି CSRରେ 25,000 କମ୍ପାନୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ 35,000 କୋଟି ଟଙ୍କା ଯୋଗାଡ଼ ହେଉଛି 35,000 କୋଟି କହିଲେ ମାନେ ଲେସ୍ ଦେନ୍ କେଉଁ ପରସେଣ୍ଟାଇଲ୍ରେ ଆସିବ ମୋତେ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ସେଟା କିନ୍ତୁ ତା ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟରେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ସେ ଯେ ପଇସା ଆସୁଛି ସେଇଟା ଅଧା ତ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେଉଛି ଅଧା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେଉନି। ମୋ କହିବା କଥା ୱାଇ ଦିସ୍ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ଇନ୍ ଆୱାର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି। ଆଜି ଯଦି ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରେ ମୁଁ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ନେଇକି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରେ 85% ଲୋକ ଅନଏମ୍ପ୍ଲଏଡ୍ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି 15% ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏଠି। ସେ ମୋ କହିବା କଥା ଏଇଟା କାହିଁକି ଯିଏ ବି ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ ପଢ଼ିଲା ଧର ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ ପଢ଼ିଲେ ଆମେ 250 ପିଲା ଥିଲେ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ପ୍ରାୟ ଆମେ 2 ଜଣ କି 3 ଜଣ ପିଲା ଥିବେ ଯିଏ ଆମେ ଡେୟାର କଲୁ ମୋତେ IOCLରୁ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ମିଳିଥିଲା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ଅଏଲ୍ କର୍ପୋରେସନ୍ ଲିମିଟେଡ଼ରୁ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଫାଡ଼ିଦେଲି ସେ କାଗଜଟାକୁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଏଇଟା ରହିଲେ ଲଫଡ଼ା କରିବ ମୋତେ କରିବେ ଯିବାର ନାହିଁ ସେଠି ମୋତେ ତ ନିଜର ହିଁ କାମ କରିବାର ଅଛି। ଆଉ ତାର ରେଜଲ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ସାର୍ ପ୍ରଥମେ 5-10 ବର୍ଷରେ ମୋର ଚାଲ ଟିକେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ରହିଲା ମୋତେ ଅନେକ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟି ଆସିଲା ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ କେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ମନେ କଲି ଇଟ୍ ମେ ବି ଏ ରଙ୍ଗ ଡିସିସନ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲାଗି ରହିଲୁ କାମଟାରେ ଆଜି ଆମେ ସେ ସଂସ୍ଥାରୁ ଆମେ 8ଟା ସଂସ୍ଥା କଲୁଣି ପାଖାପାଖି 700-800 କୋଟି ଟଙ୍କାର ଆମର ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣଓଭର ହେଲାଣି। ଆମେ 60ଟା country all 6 continents we have a presence, so it is a recurring supplies. We are earning around today I can say around $50 million in a year country ପାଇଁ that is very important। ଆଉ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆମେ 6000 ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛୁ माने 6000 फैमिली सर।
Yes, sir.
दिस इज द बिगेस्ट CSR। आज यदि एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिया जीवो दिस इज द बिगेस्ट CSR। आज यदि मु एक्सपोर्ट करली दैट इज द बिगेस्ट CSR। मुझे यदि इंपोर्ट करि पारली ए डॉलर आनिली दैट इज ए CSR। आमे कंट्रीब्यूशन करिकी 35,000 कोटी टका किछ करि दउन आ करूछु कोन सेतरे सर हबा कथा कोन से पैसाटा यूटिलाइज हवा कथा पिलांकु जीवा पूर्व कॉलेज रु पास आउट हवा पूर्व ग्रेजुएशन हवा पूर्व तांकु गोटे ट्रेनिंग दवा कथा पॉसिबिलिटी दवा कथा ये प्रोडक्टटा केमती तयारी होउची हजार लक्ष लक्ष प्रोडक्ट अछि सर काहाकु जदि देखै दिए जीवो ए प्रोडक्टटा ए धरण तयारी होउची एठू मटेरियल आसुची और गवर्नमेंट या सपोर्ट करूची। आज का दिन रे गवर्नमेंट 10 कोटी टंका विदाउट कोलेटरल पैसा दउची 10 कोटी टंका रे तो केते प्रोजेक्ट हे जीवो सर अनएम्प्लॉयड कहले सरीज पूरा किंतु आम से प्रोसेस न जाए कि अन्य जगार सब इन्वेस्टमेंट करुचे आउ किसी हॉस्पिटल होगा कौटी कौटी होगा कौन होगा है गवर्नमेंट भी कर 35,000 कोटी टका इज नॉट ए बिग फिगर। इफ यू आर टेकिंग दिस मनी फ्रॉम द अर्निंग देन यू मस्ट ट्राई टू सी हाउ वी कैन गिव द एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू द पीपल इन आवर कंट्री हाउ वी ब्रिंग देयर कॉन्फिडेंस। यस मु देखी जदि गोटे जिनसा ये धरण तैयारी हो जिनसा से आसटा पकड़े से उठेले से जहाँ कले ता बिक्री हो लोक करें मु कहूँ सर मोर आज मु 62 वर्ष हेली मोर सांग सब रिटायर हो गले छुआ पिला कौटी विदेश रे ना कौ गाँव रे ये बुढ़ा बुढ़ी दण गाँव रे इज इट द लाइफ किए भी जान कि जदि मु मोर पिला छुआ को भी इन्वॉल्व करि परिबी से तांकु सिखै परिबी कि तांकु कॉन्फिडेंस दे परिबी कि तुम एटा कर जदि यंग एज रे करबोनी केते 2-4 वर्ष तकलीफ पाइल तापर भी तो चाकरी मिलियो से पढ़ापढ़ी तो सरी जाऊनी से परसेप्शनटा आसवा कथा सेटा आसी पारुनी सेटा एई लागि आसी पारुनी मो हिसाब रे जो गवर्नमेंट लेवल से जिनसटा को इनिशिएट कर पारुना प्रॉपर्ली इनिशिएट कर पारुना से जिनसटा हवा निहाती दरकार आमर मनरे इंडिया प्रति आम देश प्रति भारत प्रति समस्त श्रद्धा रहा कथा आम भाषाटा संपूर्ण रूप से प्राथमिकता मिलवा कथा ताकू नंबर 1 ताहले आमर फीलिंगटा भी बढ़िबो आमे से जिनस को धरी गोटे जिनस को जदि शिखे बाटार आम शिखौचे सर मो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रे अनेक पिला आसिले आमको आम प्रोडक्ट देलु এই প্রোডাক্ট কর তুমি কর লস হলে মোর হব তুমি কর ସେମାନେ କରିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଲଗା କରିଦେଲେ ତୁ ଯା ତୁ ତୋର ଏବେ ନିଜ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରି କର ଆଉ ସବୁ ଚଲା ସାର୍ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଆଇ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ରିଏଲ୍ ସର୍ଭିସ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ନେସନ୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍
Sir, this is all about taking care of own people, welfare of those people, sir.
ଓଡ଼ିଆ
Sir, ଆପଣ କହିବା ତ ଯେ ଏଟା ୱେଲଫେୟାର ଆମ ମାନଙ୍କର ହେବା ଦରକାର ସେ ଆପଣ ଆଇ ନହେଲେ ୱି ଆମେ ମାନଙ୍କର ଷ୍ଟୋରି ହେବା ଦରକାର ଅଛି
ସରି
ସାର୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ବଟ୍ ୱି ଆମକୁ ଏଇଟା ଆମ ମାନଙ୍କର ଷ୍ଟୋରି ହେବାର ଅଛି ସାର୍ ଇଟ୍ସ ନଟ୍ ଆଇ ଇଟ୍ସ ୱି ରାଇଟ୍ ସାର୍ ଗଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ସାର୍ ଲେଟ୍ସ କମ୍ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଟୁ Hiranima Mahad. He's a chief, actually he's the chief executive officer, iHub Gujarat government. And he's a dear friend from mine, he represents from Keonjhar district as well. He has always a soft corner for the state of Odisha. Actually, he has a pivotal role in strengthening the Gujarat vibrant ecosystem in terms of startup. I must congratulate you for that. That's courage and conviction. Bring a lot of loyalty for the Gujarat government. As time come, the time has come giving back to Odisha, isn't it? So, you have a stellar role in Gujarat. I'm told by many people that you have done a terrific job. You pioneer a lot of entrepreneurship, a lot of series of people are there, sir. So, and again, I must have to tell you, Gujarat is comparatively doing well in CSR robust ecosystem. So, what lesson, what are the learnings you need to input for Odisha ecosystem in terms of CSR?
So, Dibajit, thank you so much for inviting Pratham to. Samastan, congratulations, those of you jahanku aji award miluchi and all my distinguished policy maker speakers. So, mu Odisha ru Gujarat government re jebe entrepreneurship division dekhuchi, there is a little difference. The first task that joda हमको मिली थला is how we help जोड़ा आप अग्रवाल सब कहले कि यंग पिला को केमिति आपण एंटरप्रेन्योर बनेबे. सो आमे लास्ट 10 वर्ष भितर पाखापाखि 37,000 youth को टेक्नोलॉजी एंटरप्रेन्योर बनै.
That's a stellar number.
And you know how did we did that? Nothing rocket science. Only thing is तीन जण मेन शत्रु थांते गोटे पिलार को एंटरप्रेन्योर रो एम्प्लॉयमेंट को नेवा पाई. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज देयर पेरेंट्स. यू नो वी बिकम सो कॉशियस कि हमारे बच्चों को कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, हम पिला सुरक्षित रहो. The second is the neighbors. You know, the neighbors don't want you taking risk in going skyrocketing achievements. And third are the teachers. तो हमें state government रे policy बने लो कि first of all, how do we make sure that कि parents appreciate risk taking. The second thing is, how do we celebrate by neighbors that if you are taking risk and if you reward it. For example, every month, mu 30 young entrepreneurs को I take it for tea with the Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat. And he interacts with everybody. So the parents को लगे at least my kids are doing something, right? ये process रे हमें जो 11,000-12,000 entrepreneur बनेलु, one of my previous notion मु ओडिशा रो जाई के गुजरात सम गवर्नमेंट रो PSU लेके बड़ा mindset था कि probably आपण जतल को पैसा बनाती you crave for more money. Once you make money, you crave for more making money. Prabodh Babu can tell it better. He's a hands-on entrepreneur. But one day, a young entrepreneur, jahaku mu 5 वर्ष ago government ru 15 lakh टका grant देइथिली. In 5 years, he has built a $1 billion company, a technology company. He came to me. He asked कि sir, I have a decision to make. I need an advice. I told, what decision? He is hardly 32-year-old, Nirmit Parikh. So he said, sir, I want to place 90% of my growth, value of my company to contribute to society. तो प्रथम तरफ I thought that कांद्रे किसी अलगा जिनसे सुन लेगी कि how come a Gujarati who has built a $1 billion company in 8 years want to give back 90% of his wealth. He is hardly 32-year-old. अच्छा 50, 60, 65 वर्ष है, you think about going to Vanprasth, that is okay. At 32, you are a first generation technology entrepreneur. Then I told him, what are you talking about? Then he told me a story, Dibajit Bhai, and this is very interesting. He said, do you know which are the 4 industrialists who made America as America? I told him, I don't know. He told me, these are 4 people. Henry Ford, who made the car. Andrew Carnegie, who made steel. Rockefeller, who made kerosene and petrol. And business chalaya pai, somebody has to finance. This was JP Morgan. ଏ ଚାରିଜଣ ଲୋକ for 50 years they tried to kill each other in business. They made sure ସେମାନେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ କି second, third, fourth person should not be there in business. They competed, cut through, and they become a billionaire, and then they made American industrial story. But there is an interesting thing happened. The first among these four who passed away, ଯାହାର ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା first ଏମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ, he was JP Morgan. So JP Morgan ଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ଡେଥ୍ ହେଲା and all these four people went to ତାଙ୍କର ଶ୍ମଶାନ ଯାତ୍ରାରେ, they were all silent for 30 minutes. And these three gentlemen says कि अगर यहीं पहुंचना है तो यार इतनी कंपटीशन क्यों है to accumulate wealth? You know what they did after that? After that incident, ये तीन जन जो माने accumulation of wealth में compete करुଥିଲେ, they did a reverse competition, and reverse competition was to give away all the money.
How much they can give back?
90% of all the money that Rockefeller did, they told कि give it away. Andrew Carnegie told कि अरे अमेरिका रे गाँव रे लाइब्रेरी नहीं. He started something called Carnegie Library Networks. Every taluka equivalent place go and create a library. So जो चारि जन अमेरिका रो इंडस्ट्रियल इकोनॉमी ପାଇଁ कट थ्रोट वेल्थ क्रिएशन ପାଇଁ compete करुଥିଲେ, at certain point of emancipation they started competing to give back. Now this young boy, जो पिला entrepreneur who came to my office and told कि sir, I don't want to go to see my friend's death and realize कि what I need to do. So I think आमे जदि ओडिशा रे entrepreneur, PSUs, corporate, global companies, CSR, जितने भी entrepreneur अछंती, we need to figure out what we want to do in life. Like Dr. Agarwal told, right? He's happy making 6,000 people happy.
Yeah.
And I think what we did in Gujarat is after learning that it is making money is fun, but making a lot of money and storing somewhere else is not fun.
It's a risk.
How do you create value out of it? So Ame Gujarat government, we have created 4-5 platforms. One is called Gujarat CSR Authority. We are collecting projects from NGOs, universities, innovation hubs, incubation centers, asking what project you want to do if we give you ₹1 million or ₹5 million, right? And then the other side, we are pooling all the CSR capital, around 3,000 crores of capital that state PSUs or Baki to put them into portal. And then trying to do a matchmaking. Suppose you have money and I have an idea. There should be a platform to integrate these two.
Let's collaborate.
So every year, प्रत्येक वर्ष पाखापाखि 3,000 4,000 छोट प्रोजेक्ट को सपोर्ट करछो. That is number 1.
Yeah.
Number 2, various states have various strategy. Telangana, Karnataka and others, they are very hungry for innovations, right? ସେମାନେ CSR पैसारे खाली लोकल एरिया डेवलपमेंट नुहे, बट कटिंग एज इनोवेशन द्वारा केमिति सोशल इंडेक्स को अपलिफ्ट करियो ता ପାଇଁ भी काम करछन. So one lesson that we took that कि innovation रो social diffusion ପାଇଁ भी capital दरकार, and that capital cannot be for profit capital, that has to be social capital, and that could be CSR capital. So हमें प्रत्येक वर्ष around 500 crores worth of CSR money from PSU हमें एमिति social enterprise को दोचु. Those are not charitable, they are wealth creating enterprises, but they are meaningful enterprises. Now you'll ask me, how do you define these meaningful enterprises? I will tell you a very simple thing. ସବୁ ରାଜ୍ୟରେ, ସବୁ ଦେଶରେ, ସବୁ କଲଚରରେ ନିଜର ଗୋଟେ ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଥାଏ. ଫର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ, ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ଗୋ ଟୁ ୟୁନାଇଟେଡ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ସ, ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ଗଛ ହେଉଛି ସିକୋୟା ଟ୍ରି. ଅଲମୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ୟୁ ନୋ, ରାଇଟ୍? 2500 ବର୍ଷ ପୁରୁଣା ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ପାର୍କ ସିକୋୟା ପାର୍କରେ ଗୋଟେ 2500 ବର୍ଷ ପୁରୁଣା ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ ଅଛି, 300 ଫୁଟ ହାଇଟ୍, 30 ଫୁଟ ଚଉଡ଼ା. ଆଉ ଆମେରିକାର ସବୁ ଇନ୍ସପିରେସନ ଅଫ୍ ବିଜନେସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇନ୍ସପାୟାର୍ଡ ବାଇ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଫିଲୋସଫି कि एमती गोटे बिजनेस बनवा जोटा कि पूरा वर्टिकली ग्रो हो, ना छाई ना डाल ना फल ना फूल, एंड इट हैज टू बी बिग, इट हैज टू क्रिएट वैल्यू. दैट्स हाउ अमेरिकार सबुठ बड़ वेंचर कैपिटल ना भी सिकोया कैपिटल. सो दे बिलीव दैट फिलोसफी कि वी हैव टू ग्रो बिग, फॉरगेट अबाउट हु इज अराउंड. छाई मिलुचे कि नहीं, पत्र मिलुचे कि नहीं, दैट्स नॉट एन इश्यू. बट इमेजिन व्हाट इज नेशनल ट्री ऑफ इंडिया? banyan tree. Banyan tree never goes vertical, right? It goes horizontal. So the moment you create a value system in India, it creates value for everybody. It gives you leaf, it gives you fruit, it gives you, in fact, banyan tree boro gacharo taro apan dekhithibe tar cheroro gacha hochi, right? That means one entrepreneurs create more entrepreneurs. I think you used to tell the same thing, right? It's a banyan tree philosophy, right? You help more branches to come and become a tree. So I think this responsibility of creating wealth for everybody is already in the DNA of Bharatiya business model. But somehow we are copying this thing from the modern business schools who are copying the Western philosophy of economics and business models. So CSR re, fundamentally Gujarat government we decided that we have to go to our roots. We need to make sure that our policy, system, institutions should be as per Indian needs. And the important factor, Divajit Bhai, is we realized what the Western capital has told us called CSR is actually something called pure profit or Suddha Labh. What the true Indian or Odisha version of entrepreneur should be not Suddha Labh, but Subh Labh. Subh Labh means profit also. So rather than pure profit, we are talking about, or profit only, we are talking about profit also. So आमे गुजरात गवर्नमेंट रे we have 5,000 company जो माने प्रत्येक वर्ष 500 crore plus top line करूचंती. We are dealing with each of them and trying to counsel them, even small SMEs जहाँ पाकरे निजोर CSR team नहीं, to tell them, boss, every penny of you can touch somebody's life. You decide whose life you want to change, and we are just an enabler. So I think these are certain practices that we have.
So if you are asked, can you lay out a plan actually that will work for the CSR ecosystem in Odisha? 2 lines for that, 2 key factors.
I think we have more money in CSR in Odisha, honestly speaking.
20,000, 25,000, 30,000.
But problem is, I think, Amoku Darkar, we need to decentralize that. I mean, Sir is doing well, Nalco is doing well, MCL is doing well. The real problem is, it is not about bigger people taking part in the movement. It is the smaller people who need to participate in the movement. Decentralizing, and SME companies who might be doing 10 crore profit, 15 crore profit, they might not write you a check of $500,000. They can give you 100,000 rupees or 500,000 rupees. But decentralization of this spirit is important. Second important jinso hoche ki I think amko bhi decide kariyako padibo ki only the CSR cannot be in 2 or 3 districts. You have to take it to every places. And I think the state government also need to create an institutional mechanism. Karana one or Pramod ji or Agrawal ji or Ravi ji or Sir can help.
They come together.
500,
They come together.
But jodi hame institutionalize kar deba, this can go up to exponentially.
It go to the next mile, sir. Sir, we are coming to the end part of the conclave. So basically, if you take 2 important factors that can encapsulate Odisha CSR ecosystem in a robust way, 2 key factors that can change the dimension of the CSR scheme of things.
Yeah, the first point, what I find that it is not simply the financial investment through corporate social responsibility, but also there are many more angles. For example, keeping our environment safe through corporate social responsibility and keeping people engaged through public-private
Giving employment.
engagement. So giving the employment and enabling them to have the opportunity, just like our
Mr.
young friend
Hiran
told,
Mr. Mantri.
and also providing the environment for this purpose.
Cohesive
Important
environment,
points.
sir.
These are the 2 most important points.
Thank you so much, sir. And sir, you heard all of them so well. What are the key factor, 2 key factors that redefine the structure of CSR ecosystem in Odisha?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, CSR is basically first of thing, as you sell in industry or mining center, first they give for environment, but they should also take care of local area development in terms of health and other related activities.
Overall growth, sir. Overall growth.
Right.
Sir, Provost sir, someone who knows the nuts and bolts of CSR thing. He has been there for years together. You know the nuts and bolts of CSR for years together, sir. What are the key takeaways from this conclave? He spoke so well. Sir even give more worldwide story. So what is the key takeaways for this conclave, sir?
Now look, CSR is basically in our countries looked as a compliance. So we need to actually change our mindset and it beyond compliance. One thing which actually interested me, Dr. Mahanta told, that CSR means in Odisha, we are looking at big corporates.
Yes, sir.
But I am also a president of Utkal Chamber of Commerce and
sir,
Industry in Odisha, where more than 80% of our members are MSMEs.
Sir.
So those MSMEs are actually left for themselves to fend for themselves. Actually, we need to handhold them to understand that how to become competitive, how to be profit oriented and understand that sustainability and contribution to the society. Society means their nearby population, by which they will feel invested. The local people will feel invested. They will feel that we have a vested interest in this
Activities.
entity.
Yes, sir.
That will help the company or the MSME to grow faster, to scale up, to modernize, and make our state vibrant enough. So for Odisha to become vibrant and developed cannot be actually developed or led by the mining or metal sector. Simultaneously, the MSME has to
overall
grow.
lots of things.
The other sectors, of course, the government of Odisha is actually giving a lot of focus to these sectors, apparel sector, tourism sector, which is actually
many ways, sir.
employment centric, but generates lot of employment. So there we need to focus on the MSME and a development of the MSME's ecosystem, and they must be imbibed that philosophy of contributing to their
Giving back to the society.
the population residing or staying around their
It's a-
institutions. So in that sense, we'll have a true CSR expenditure and a all-round development of
Sir,
the
it-
people
it
of
would be-
Odisha, where the wealth will be distributed to the last person standing in the last line of
Last
the
mile.
pyramid.
It will lead to the last
Yes,
mile, sir. So it's not compliances, it's about commitment.
Yes.
Thank you
yes,
so
it
much,
is
sir.
commitment.
Sir, ODR ଆମେ କହିବା what are ଆଜି ଯୋଉ conclave ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଦୁଇଟି ଶବ୍ଦ କହିବେ that actually redefine I can tell that language sir ଦୁଇଟା word କହିବେ ଆଜି conclave ପାଇଁ ଦୁଇଟା ଶବ୍ଦ କହିବେ ଆଜି conclave ପାଇଁ how did you enjoy?
Now, this is a good, I can say, ମାନେ ଏଟାରେ ନିଜର ଯାହା ଥିଙ୍କିଂଟା ଆମେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିପାରୁଛେ ଆଉ ବତେଇ ପାରୁଛେ ସାର୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝା ପଡ଼ୁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଫିଲ୍ଡରେ କାମ କରୁଛେ ଆମକୁ ଲାଗୁଛି କି ଆମେ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ କଲୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂରେ ପଢ଼ିଲୁ ଏଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆସିବ ଏଇ ଆନ୍ସର୍ କରିବାର ଅଛି ଏମିତି ଆନ୍ସର୍ କରିବାର ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା କେମିତି ତିଆରି ହେବ କ'ଣ ହେବ ତା'ର ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲିଟି ଆସୁନି ମୋ କହିବା କଥା ସେଇ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଅଗର କୁହାଯାଏ କି ଭାଇ ତୁମ ପାଖରେ ଅନେକ ମେସିନ୍ସ ଆଣ ରଖ ତାକୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲି ଦେଖାଅ କି ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା କେମିତି ହେଉଛି ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ that will help us reducing our unemployment, how that will contribute heavily to our country. ये एटा मोर चिंताधारा
And your truths are skilling the
या
new
स्केलिंग
game
ता जदी सेठी देखिला
yes sir
seeing is believing
yes true
से जदी देखिला ताकू विश्वास हबो ताकू जदी किछि थियोरेटिकली कुआ जाय से केतळे विश्वास करिवोनी कहबो ना चाकरी करिवा हमें तो
so skilling
So
is
let us bring them to that level
to skill them
where they take a decision. Yes, I am ready to do it because government is funding, and I can do it, and my family can be with me, and will lead a good life. যদি সেটা আমি চিন্তা করি পারিলে কাহাকু তাহলে এই জিনিসরে চেঞ্জ আসিব নহলে আসিব নাই স্যার আউ নিউক্লিয়াস ফ্যামিলি হি চালিবে সমস্তে যেতে
yeah
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଠୁ ଯଦି 25 ବର୍ଷ 50 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ 9 ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ ଥିଲେ ଆଜିକାଲି 9 ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ କାହାଠୁ କୋଉଠୁ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି
sir ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବାଁ ପଟେ ଯିଏ ବସିଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରଭୁ ସାରଙ୍କ ଜଏଣ୍ଟ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ସାର୍ ଫର୍ ଇୟର୍ସ
ମୋର ତ ଖାଲି ନିଜ ପରିବାରରେ 9 ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ ଥିଲି
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର
ଆଜିକାଲି କିଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜି ତ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଡ଼େ ହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ ତାପରେ ଡରିଗଲେ ଭାଇ ନା ରୁହ ରହିଯାଅ ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ କାହାରି ବଢୁଛି ବହୁତ
yes sir
ଅନ୍ୟ କାହାରି କିଛି ବହୁତ ବଢୁଛି ତାହେଲେ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ସାର୍
Sir, thank you so much coming straight away from Indore to grace this occasion. You're really proud of your presence and time here, sir. We are very much delighted of each and everybody is sitting here. They spoke so well. And they're not just the wealth maker, actually, they're the true CSR change maker. They are actually enabling the true story of CSR in the time to come. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for your time and presence.
Thank you.
ଅଶେଷ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଏହି ଜ୍ଞାନବର୍ଦ୍ଧକ ଆଲୋଚନା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ସମସ୍ତ ବକ୍ତାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅଶେଷ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ କରକମଳରୁ ଏକ ଭବ୍ୟ କରତାଳି ସହ ଆଜିର ଏହି ପ୍ରଥମ ସେସନଟିକୁ ଆମେ ଏଇଠି ସାରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁବୁ. Ladies and gentlemen, after this, it's a very momentous, memorable moment this is going to be, because we are going to felicitate Lifetime Achievement Awardees to begin the awards session. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the man himself, and we are so proud that the stage has been graced by his presence on the stage. I would request Rabindranath Behra ji to please felicitate our first Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Dr. Mrutyunjay Mohapatra.
ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ସମସ୍ତ ଗୁଣୀ ଜ୍ଞାନୀ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିବୃନ୍ଦଙ୍କୁ, ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଟାଇମ୍ସର ସମସ୍ତ କର୍ମକର୍ତ୍ତାଗଣଙ୍କୁ ବିଶେଷ ବିଶେଷ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଉଛି, କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜ୍ଞାପନ କରୁଛି ମୋତେ ଏହି ସମ୍ମାନରେ ସମ୍ମାନିତ କରିଥିବା ପାଇଁ। ଏହା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ମୋତେ ଏବଂ ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ସଂସ୍ଥା ଭାରତ ପାଣିପାଗ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ବିଭାଗକୁ ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକ ପ୍ରେରିତ କରିବ, ଯେମିତିକି ଆମେ ଦେଶର ସେବାରେ, ଜାତିର ସେବାରେ କେବଳ ନୁହଁ, ସମଗ୍ର ବିଶ୍ୱର ସେବାରେ ଅଧିକ ବ୍ରତୀ ହୋଇପାରିବୁ ଏବଂ ପାଣିପାଗ ଏବଂ ଜଳବାୟୁର ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରଚାର ପ୍ରସାର ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ପଦକ୍ଷେପ ନେଉଛୁ, ଏହାର ବିସ୍ତୃତ ବିବରଣୀ ଯେମିତି ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚାଇ ପାରୁଛୁ, ତାକୁ କେମିତି ଅଧିକ ବଳବତ୍ତର କରାଯାଇପାରିବ, ଯାହାକି ସାମାଜିକ ଏବଂ ଆର୍ଥିକ ପ୍ରଗତିରେ ସହାୟକ ହେବ ଅଧିକରୁ ଅଧିକ। ଏବଂ ଆଜି ଯେଉଁ କର୍ପୋରେଟ୍ ସୋସିଆଲ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି କଥା ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରୁଥିଲେ, ସେଥିରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପାଣିପାଗ ଏବଂ ଜଳବାୟୁର ଯେଉଁ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ରହିଛି, ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନିଭେଇ ଆସିଛୁ, ତାକୁ ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକ ସୁଦୃଢ଼ କରିବା, ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟିଏ ପବ୍ଲିକ୍ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟନରସିପ୍ ହେଉ କିମ୍ବା ପିପୁଲ୍ ପ୍ଲାନେଟ୍ ଏବଂ ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ କଥା ହେଉ କର୍ପୋରେଟ୍ ସୋସିଆଲ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟିରେ, କିମ୍ବା ଏଥିକ୍ସ କଥା ହେଉ, ସବୁଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପାଣିପାଗ ଏବଂ ଜଳବାୟୁର ବିବରଣୀକୁ ପାଥେୟ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଏବଂ ସାମାଜିକ ଓ ଆର୍ଥିକ ପ୍ରଗତିରେ ଆପଣ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଏହାକୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବେ ଏବଂ ସମଗ୍ର ବିଶ୍ୱକୁ ଏକ ସୁସ୍ଥ, ସ୍ୱଚ୍ଛ, ସମୃଦ୍ଧିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ପରିଣତ କରିବେ।
Definitely, it is a huge responsibilities in our shoulders actually. It is not only the government can make the change, we the people who make the change. So thank you so very much, sir. Thank you so much for being being present in this evening with us. Now, next I would request Dr. Sitakanta Das, sir, to please come up on stage for the CSR Lifetime Achievement Award. We celebrate a titan of global health and a true champion of his roots as a world-renowned scientist and the heart behind Kalinga Hospital. His philanthropic footprint spans continents for his monumental contributions to medicine and his unwavering spirit of giving back to the soil. We confer the CSR Lifetime Achievement Award upon Dr. Sitakanta Das. And this is a true moment where I think we should all stand for him because a legend like him on the stage. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for a well-deserved Lifetime Achievement Award, who lived for the people, who's living for the people. Ladies and gentlemen, please again put your hands together for Dr. Sitakanta Das.
Okay, I am from Kalinga Hospital, the first corporate hospital we have seen in Odisha, which is serving not only Odisha and beyond. And it is mostly affordable care providing Odisha and beyond. And people just know me not as the chairman of Kalinga Hospital, I am the probiotic pioneer of the world. And I have started this company from zero. It was almost nothing, $10 million sector. I ended up as a close to $100 billion sector. Again, this is the support, research support starting from zero. This industry needs called billions and billions dollars to develop a product and put it in the market. I, as a foreigner in America, didn't have that kind of money to spend $300,000 for a clinical trial. But with my way, I got it done. It took time, but I made my goal. The sector was 10 million when I started, and it ended up close to $100 billion sector. $100 billion sector. And I take pride. It is nobody has done this kind of growth in pharmaceutical field. And it is a natural antibiotic. It is a natural antibiotic. It produces natural antibiotic. It produces enzymes. It produces vitamin. For that reason, I say probiotics are more important than multivitamin should be taken daily. Probiotics are more important than multivitamin taken daily. And from marketing and making money, people have done what in medical field, particularly in hospitals, and what they do. If you take antibiotics, you have to take probiotics. Why? Antibiotic kills all the bad bacteria at the same time good bacteria. So what you have? You have called antibiotic associated diarrhea. And you have it similarly the tuberous disease and those kind of conditions you have. Here in India, because I am a globally known and my products are not only sold in India, India is a minor one, but still India maintained sixth largest one when the company was doing well. And it has been in 65 countries. Unfortunately or fortunately, the company started growing from zero. Growth was 2%, 5%. It has gone to 300%, started growing. At that time, people said, I'll buy it. Pfizer, Merck, all the big companies, they wanted to buy me. And said, Dr. Das, it is beyond you because you don't have that kind of money to spend in the research. I sold to one of the big guys, and again, I don't like to mention, big eyes. I made my money. God sent me. If you can make that kind of difference, this kind of difference in medical field, you can do one thing. You can do the same thing, the Kalinga Hospital. I was with Jagannath's blessing and with your support, I am here serving Kalinga Hospital, and at the same time, I do lots of philanthropic work. People say, what you are doing next? Next is my call IIT Bhubaneswar. Next generation probiotics are being produced. Next generation probiotics are produced. So I think I do not stop. I always do something with a vision. Another young money-making project I have been sponsoring, and part of that one, I think we have to recognize him. That is called Asutosh Mahapatra. Please stand up. Asutosh Mahapatra. Just know this guy, he is a rising star, not in my field, but he is doing research and technical analysis, particularly in medical field. It is worth knowing him. Next time you'll be seeing him on the stage. What kind of thing he has done? You can say wealth making or something like this. And also I recognize my marketing team, Mutunjaya and Binaya. Please stand up. They are the two best ones. My point is, please be focused, and if you believe in something, you will be surprised to see you will win. If I did, and you can. If I did, you can. Best is yet to come. Thank you, and thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Dr. Sitakantha Das for you. Please put your hands together once again for this legend on the stage. After this, I would request Dr. Achyuta Samant, who has joined us just recently. Ladies and gentlemen, we honor a global icon of humanitarianism and education. As the founder of KISS, he has created the world's largest residential institute for indigenous children, proving that education is the ultimate tool for social equality. For his revolution, put your hands together. Now I would request Prishita to please take a bite of Dr. Achyut Samantji.
This is my privilege. Actually, he inspired me like anything. While I was studying at Utkal University, I earned the first 300 rupees from him. This is a very sentimental moment for me. Actually, this man is actually it's a colossal personality. Actually, imagine compel the richest man of the planet, Nita Ambani, Bill Gates coming to Odisha and have a look at KISS University premise. Isn't it a great contribution of people of Odisha? You are proud of you, sir. There is no one left for me to tell how you are inspired.
Sir, recently the richest woman in India has visited KIT. So he is, yes, sir, he is mounting all the flags in her hat. So please put your hands together for Dr. Achyut
You have
Samantji.
achieved everything. What is next?
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ନମସ୍କାର ପ୍ରଣାମ ଶୁଭ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଆଜି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଟାଇମ୍ସର ଯେଉଁ ଏକ ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମଟିଏ ଦେବଜ୍ୟୋତି ଆୟୋଜନ କରିଛି ଆମର ମଞ୍ଚାସୀନରେ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ବା ଠିଆ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତେ ମାନ୍ୟବର ଅତିଥିମାନେ ମାନ୍ୟବର ସାଂସଦ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ମୋର ବନ୍ଧୁ ପ୍ରବୋଧ ମହାନ୍ତି ଭଦ୍ରକ କଲେକ୍ଟର କଳିଙ୍ଗ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଏମିତି ଆମର ରାଜ୍ୟର ଗର୍ବ ଗୌରବ मेटालोजी डिपार्टमेंटर जी वर्तमान डायरेक्टर जनरल अच्छा मुतुंजय महापात्र एमती समस्ते मंचरे ठिया मंच सम्मुखें समस्ते सम्मानस्पद भल पाउथिबा देवज्योति को इंटरव्यू टाइम्स को समस्त सम्मानस्पद सुधीवृंद ଦେବଜ୍ୟୋତି को ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେବି ସେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୋଠୁ ବେଶୀ ଆଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ କରିକି ନେଇ ଆସିପାରେ ଏଠି ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଠି ଆମମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସାଂସଦ ମହୋଦୟ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଯାଜପୁର ସାଂସଦ ମହୋଦୟ ମୋର ବନ୍ଧୁ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ମୃତ୍ୟୁଞ୍ଜୟ ମହାପାତ୍ର ମହୋଦୟ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଭଦ୍ରକ କଲେକ୍ଟର ମହୋଦୟ ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ ସେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଟାଣି ଆଣିକିରି ଏଠି ରଖିପାରେ ଏବଂ ଏତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ସେ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜ୍ କରେ ଏତେ ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁ ଭଲ ଗୁଣ ଯେଉଁଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ସ୍ନେହର ପାତ୍ର ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଏ ଅବସରରେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी आम आ बेसी समय नबुनी बहुत कार्यक्रम थी निश्चित तार तेणु आउ थे देवज्योति को बहुत बहुत जनाऊँगी शुभेच्छा यहीपरी से कम कर चलू सी भी ओडिशा प्रति किसी ना कि माने व्यक्तिगत रूपे कंट्रीब्यूट करुच्ची ओडिशा को से सदाले ताकू भल पाए से पाठ पढ़ला बेलटू आज मुझे मुझे ऑडियंस रे बसबी एनी हाउ से ये करचंती आउ थे ताकू शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी आपन समस्त को मोर बहुत बहुत नमस्कार धन्यवाद
अशेष धन्यवाद महोदय नाउ आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट Shri Prafulla Kumar Sahu sir, founder chairman CYST, to please come up on stage to receive the CSR Lifetime Achievement Award. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome a legendary architect of social change. As the founder of CYST, he has spent 4 decades
Sir, I would like to hear from you, sir. How do you feel?
First of all, I must compliment wholeheartedly to the Interview Times founder, Dr. Dibyajit Sahu, and all his excellent team. Heartiest congratulations and compliments for organizing great event throughout the year and in different parts of Odisha and Pan-India. I am very much humbled to get this award for my lifetime achievement. I have been associated for the last 52 years doing little service to the humanitarian cause. Started my career in 1974 with diploma in youth work and then 1976 from Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. And now 52 years of my committed, modest, passionate service working in the communities. And especially we have touched in CYSD, I'm the founder and my colleagues are there, and we have been touching, my team members are there. We have touched more than 2 million lives, bringing directly from poverty to prosperity. So this is a big achievement, and we are in the threshold of touching another 3 million lives sooner in coming 5 years. And CYSD is now 44 years old, and we would like to tell you all the August gathering here that coming 5-6 years, 2026, we'll be having our 15 years and Golden Jubilee. And that has also a connecting role of Odisha. Odisha will be 100 years at 2036 from 10 years now. So therefore, we are planning our programs to have concurrence with the Odisha development as well as CYSD's own programs with the communities. So therefore, I must humbly accept this award, and I dedicate this award to all the community members, thousands of them we are there, and my colleagues, community resource persons, women leaders, especially the tribal, young and women leaders with women empowerment and youth empowerment. They have fanned out almost all 28 districts of Odisha to work relentlessly, work passionately to doing their own community development work. Thank you all for your kind award, and I respectfully and humbly accept this award and dedicate to all the people of Odisha. So that let the CSR award be championing and inspiring many more people to take up lot of development activities with sincerity, passion, and commitment. Thank you all.
Thank you so very
Really
much,
honored.
sir.
We are really honored to honor you, sir.
Thank you so much. And with this, we are through with the Lifetime Achievement Awards. And so please put your hands together for all the awardees on stage. Next, due to some urgency, we have to give away one award from the CSR Awards. The award is for Professional CSR Person of the Year, Shri Keshav Raoji. It is a privilege to honor a leader who proves that corporate success is best measured by community